channel. I'm Chantal.
I'm Mia from Good Karma.
And this August we are collaborating to bring you a design, art and culture retreat. It's going to be an unforgettable experience, curated to inspire and ignite a new level of creativity in this beautiful, enchanting island of Bali. And if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. Welcome to Bali, the picturesque island paradise nestled in the heart of Indonesia. With its lush landscapes, stunning beaches and vibrant culture, Bali has long been a magnet for design enthusiasts seeking inspiration and beauty. Here you'll find yourself surrounded by a tapestry of colours and textures, from the verdant rice terraces to the azure waters of the Indian Ocean. Every corner of Bali exudes a sense of creativity and artistry, from the intricately carved temples to the bohemian beachfront cafes. But what truly sets Bali apart is its unique blend of tradition and innovation. Here, ancient craftsmanship meets modern design, creating a dynamic and eclectic aesthetic that captivates the senses. Whether you're exploring the bustling markets of Ubud or admiring the architectural wonders of Seminyak, Bali offers a feast for the eyes and a playground for design lovers.
What is this retreat for, you ask? Well, if you're a creative soul, lover of art, design, culture, if you're looking to deep dive into creative inspiration and connect with like-minded individuals, this is for you.
The Bali Design Retreat is not your average getaway. It's a haven for creative souls like you who are passionate about art, design and culture. So whether you're a seasoned pro in the design industry or someone just starting to explore your creative side, our retreat is designed with you in mind. Picture this: immersing yourself in the vibrant colours and textures of Balinese art, discovering hidden gems from around the island for design inspiration, and connecting with like-minded individuals who share your passion for creativity. Our retreat offers a one-of-a-kind experience where you can expand your creative horizons and explore new avenues of expression.
Whether you're a design enthusiast, professional, or someone who is looking to transition careers or find your purpose, this retreat is designed for those with a passion for growing and expanding creativity.
The retreat is set over 6 nights, 7 days, so let's talk about where we'll be staying. Soulshine Sound and Wellness Retreat is a hotel and retreat oasis that's located in the south of Ubud in Bali. It's situated in the most lush jungle surroundings with breathtaking views of rice terraces. Michael Franti is one of the owners of Soulshine, and he's a world-renowned musician, and you'll see elements of music all over the hotel. The surroundings around the resort are absolutely spectacular, but it's the interior design that really shines for me. There are beautiful details everywhere you look. There's so much attention to detail, and it has a beautiful cultural global feel to it. From the aesthetics of the restaurants, even down to the furniture, the fabrics, the textiles, everything has been really carefully thought out and designed well. For our retreat participants, we have nothing but the best. You'll be staying in the prestigious, luxurious panoramic suites with breathtaking panoramic views. These rooms all have large terrazzo tubs, private balconies, record players, Marshall speakers, maxi bar, living area, and sunset and rice field views. Soulshine is definitely a place where we can chill, have fun in a beautiful, friendly, and relaxing environment whilst exploring the beauty of Bali. As part of your stay, you get to take advantage of the yoga facilities. These are set in a stunning room with beautiful views. It's just a wonderful way to start the day. The retreat includes delicious breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, where we'll take you to experience some of Bali's most exquisite restaurants, both in terms of design but also cuisine. So get ready to indulge in a culinary journey like no other, where every meal is a feast for the senses and an opportunity to immerse yourself in the beauty of Balinese gastronomy. Feeling burnt out or overwhelmed as a creative? It happens to the best of us. Sometimes we give so much of ourselves to our work and others that we forget to refuel our own creativity. But guess what? Our retreat is here to change that. Imagine a place where nature itself breathes new life into your creativity, where lush green landscapes and serene vistas awaken your senses and replenish your soul. Bali isn't just a destination, it's a sanctuary for the weary creative. Here, amidst the soothing sounds of rustling palm trees and flowing rivers, we'll find the inspiration you've been searching for. Picture yourself unwinding in a luxurious spa, indulging in healing treatments that melt away stress and tension. Feel the gentle vibrations of a sound bowl healing session as it washes over you, harmonizing your body, mind, and spirit. This is more than just a retreat, it's a sanctuary for your creativity. A place where you can pause, reconnect with yourself, and emerge revitalized, ready to breathe new life into your creative endeavors. So let's go into a bit more detail into what's on offer throughout the retreat. So first up, get ready to explore some of Bali's most stunning properties and villas on our exclusive design tours. Imagine walking through lush gardens, elegant interiors, and breathtaking architecture that will ignite your creativity and inspire your next project. We'll also be taking you on a captivating journey into the world of Balinese artisans. From master wood carvers to skilled batik artists, you'll witness the magic of traditional craftsmanship firsthand. Did you know that these skills are often passed down through generations, preserving cultures, old techniques, and ensuring the continuity of Balinese culture? It's really a testament to the dedication and passion of these artisans whose work reflects the rich heritage of the island. And here's an exciting addition. We'll be visiting a world-renowned photography studio where her stunning imagery has been lighting up homes and establishments around the globe. Now, let's talk about the exhilarating part of our Bali design retreat, the shopping and sourcing experience. Get ready to be spoiled for choice as we explore Bali's vibrant markets, boutiques, and artisanal shops. From handcrafted textiles to intricate ceramics, Bali offers a treasure trove of unique designs and top quality craftsmanship. Whether you're shopping for your personal collection or seeking inspiration for your business, our retreat provides the perfect opportunity to discover new resources and build valuable networks. Connect with local artisans, designers, and entrepreneurs who share your passion for creativity. You'll not only find stunning pieces to enhance your designs, but also gain insights and connections that can be invaluable in your professional journey. So grab your shopping bags and join us as we embark on a one-of-a-kind adventure in Bali. It's more than just a shopping spree, it's an opportunity to expand your horizons, forge meaningful connections, and uncover the hidden gems of Balinese design.
Yes, so join us in paradise.